Hey guys, we're back. Got a Master Lock Magnum M1. Master Lock Magnum M1. It's number 8 on their greatness scale, which is a whole bunch of bullshit, as we know. I've tried this thing. I've tried this thing a few times now. Just holding it in my hand in the package, and it's getting pretty frustrated. So this is, I think, attempt number 4, and I'm actually going to take it out of the package now and put her up in the vise. So let's do that. You have to unlock it to get it off of here. So okay. Alright. This is our bidding. I tried to find the most challenging one. That is as good as it gets. They have the code on, or 2665. Nope. I don't know what the numbers are. If that you have to decode that or something, I have no idea. That is definitely not the bidding numbers. Anyways. Okay, let's get rid of all that crapola. Let's get my fancy vise in here. We'll lock this sucker back up. Jesus, come on. Okay. She is locked up tight. Throw a little strip of leather around this. Trick I learned from Bosnian Bill to help give you, well, he does it with key and knob locks or little cylinders like this, so you don't crush them, and it helps to give you a little bit of grip. And that's what I'm using it for, is grip, because on the side of this steel here, steel on steel doesn't tend to grab too well. So there we go. We are locked up. Jesus, sorry guys. We are locked up good. Just using the double-ended twist large tension wrench that I got in my Sparrow's Whiz-Wazzle kit. There's standard hook. And let's go. You got to put a lot of tension on this because of all the spring pressure. Okay, come on baby, first time is the charm. It feels like number 2. Back in. Felt like number 4. Huh. Now somehow we are all totally springy. Okay, let's reset. Okay, I think I've got 4, 3, and 2. Oh, yeah, baby. Ha! All right. Holy crap. Man. That is just crazy tension on there to open that thing up. I could try and show you without locking this again how. I guess you can't really see how bad it's. Yeah. Anyways, that's it. We got her picked. Let's try that one more time. They're locked. Goddamn. Sorry about the shaky camera. I need a better stand. I'm sorry. We're locked back up. Let's see if we can't do that again. That was satisfying. Okay. God damn it. The pick keeps falling in the side here like this and it gets all jammed up. Wow. That is just too easy. Okay guys, there it is. M1 Magnum. Don't be intimidated. I was. I was worried about this guy when I tried it a few times in my hand. That's all, folks. Yep. Nothing to it. Alright. Always keep it legal and have fun, guys. We'll see you next time.